What is happening, guys? Welcome back to Kibla Ahmed Art. Today's sketch is of Wonder Woman. It was just a quick one, guys. I've just set up the new drawing table. I've got some new ink markers and I just wanted to give it a quick test. And with Wonder Woman out last week, I thought, why not do something wonderful? Alright, guys, let me know your thoughts. Did you guys catch the movie as well? Let me know your thoughts below. I have got a competition for you guys. This video has been sponsored by iCovers. Guys, if you type in iCovers on eBay or Amazon, they will come up with mobile phone accessories. So power banks, power cables, cases, and they are happy to give away a fidget spinner for the person. It'd be a random person that I pick out of the comments, guys. So if you guys want to enter the competition and win a fidget spinner, make sure you guys comment below, guys, and then let me know what to draw next, guys. Let me know your thoughts. I'm going to be working on a few projects and it's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. But just want to say a massive thank you to all you subscribers. You guys are amazing. I'll catch you guys up soon. One love. I picked the winner next week Wednesday. Sorry, I almost left there without saying anything. Next week Wednesday at 6:30 PM UK time, I will be picking a winner. Good luck. One love. Peace.